Goochie, and welcome to the 8th installment of the Sex Cocktail series. Now, today is Friday, and I feel like something fruity and delicious to drink. So with that in mind, I thought I would introduce you to a cocktail called Sex with Jennifer. Alright, so to make this drink, you will need 5 key ingredients. You will need vodka, coconut rum, you could use Malibu, but I'm using the El Cheapo version called Wipeout. You will also need triple sec, pineapple juice, and grenadine. So the great thing about this drink is you can shake it or you can build it directly into the glass. I'm building mine directly in the glass today. So the first thing we're going to do, add 1.5 shots of vodka. Or whatever is left in the bottle. You'll need 1.5 shots of Malibu or coconut rum. Oops. Overcompensating there. You will need 1 shot of triple sec. A splash or a dash or a squeeze of grenadine. We're then adding just a dash of pineapple juice. I'm going to give this a stir with my fancy spoon. I did go out and buy one. I'm going to start to add my ice. I'm going to now throw in a few little dehydrated strawberries that I'm garnishing my drink with today. And a few dehydrated orange slices. I'm gonna probably pop 5 in there. I'm gonna just kind of get that down. Gonna add some more ice. I'm gonna top that up with a little bit more pineapple juice. I'll give that another stir. And then a couple more strawberries. Just on top there. Whoops. Making a bit of a mess. Plus another orange slice. And voila, we are done. This is Sex with Jennifer. Cheers, biggies. Yum. That drink is so good. It's exactly what the doctor ordered. Fruity and delicious. I probably would change the title of this drink from Sex with Jennifer to Fast and Easy Sex, because in all honesty, this drink is incredibly easy to drink and you could probably drink quite a few of these very quickly because it's so delicious. Alright guys, well that brings me to the end of my episode tonight. So if you want to see me, Goochie, make more cocktails, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel. Catch you next Friday everyone for another Sex Cocktail episode. See you then. Bye!